Aloha everyone and welcome to our channel.
I am Gabie
And I'm Georgie
and we are the mommies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint.
In this tutorial, we will be working on a little and old table using the silk line from Dixie Belle Paint, Hampton Olive,
The new stencil,
best dung wax in brown,
gilding wax in bronze,
the new pristine clean,
and the new top coat special for silk. I clean the table with pristine clean and get it ready for the silk paint. I also used a little bit of mud to cover a hole. Then I applied 2 coats of Slick Stick and let it dry overnight.
I started to paint normal, then I changed and I started dabbing it to create like a soft texture. Now the second coat. I applied brown wax to enhance the edges, the details, the legs, and to give a vintage worn touch. Leave the wax for 15 minutes, then buff it off with a piece of cloth. On the top, we used the bronze gilding wax together with a tile stencil to create a beautiful bronzy pattern, which actually completes this little table so well. It gives that something to it. We also enhanced the details and edges of the table with the bronze gilding wax.
I applied 2 layers of the new extra coat for a better protection.
And this is the final result. Thank you for watching and we will see you next Tuesday.